Hello dear students, in this video we are going to study practice set 1.2 and practice set 1.2 examples from practice set 1.2 are based on types of sets. Now we know which are types of sets. Singleton set. Now singleton, when do we say given set is singleton? If there is only one element uh, in the set, there is only one element in the set, then that set is singleton set. After that, finite set. If elements of the set are limited, then that is called finite set. If elements of the set are infinite, uncountable, then that set is called infinite set. After that, equal set. Then at the time two sets will be given. If elements of both the sets are same, both the equal, then these two sets are called equal sets. Null set or empty set. If there is no element in that set, then that is called empty set or null set. Now here in this question, it is asked that decide which of the following are equal and which are not. Justify your answer. Now in this question, here three sets are given A, B, C, and it is asked to decide which of the following are equal sets. For equal sets to identify they are equal or not, we have to write these sets in listing method. Then we can observe. Here is going to justify your answer. Okay. Now here I write for set A is equal to the set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Now we have to write this set in listing method. Here I write that is A is equal to in curly bracket. Now listing method. If we solve this, if we solve here 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, this equation. Now let's solve 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Find the value of x. 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 3. And therefore here x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means value of x here x is equal to 1. If we put x is equal to 1, 3 1s are 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2 we get. If there is only one number, there is only single number, if we put here we get is equal to 2. And what is that number? That number is 1. You can check. If you put 1 here, 3 1s are 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 2. And if you put any other number, you don't get 2 here on right side. You don't get 2 on right side. There is only one number. And what is that? 1. The answer is 1. Listing method. A is here. And if I ask you what is the type, that is singleton set. Because in curly bracket there is only one element. That's why it's singleton. But here we have to find here, we want to know these out of these which are equal. In this way, here one I write. Okay, in listing method. Let's find B and C also in listing method. Then we can identify. Now here set A we converted into listing and we got here singleton set. Let's find this. That is B is equal to what is said? It is in the rule method. X is B is the set of all x such that B is a natural number. That is natural, but natural are starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, infinite. From that group, x is there, but what is the number exact that it is given here? But x is neither prime nor composite. Now, prime number means divisible by itself. There is no other factor. Therefore, prime number is 2. It is said that it is a natural but that is not prime, means 2 is not there, 2 we can't take, nor composite, and composite also we can't take. Therefore, what is the number then natural? Then 1 only. 1 is neither prime nor composite. We know that. 1 is not neither prime, 1 is not prime, and that is not composite. Okay, naturally. Then answer is here also 1. Number 2. See, first answer we got 1, here also 1. These two are equal. We can observe one more is there. Let's see. C is the set of all x such that x belongs to n. It is natural number, but it is less than 2. Now here we got A is equal to here 1 singleton. B also we got neither prime nor composite, means 1. Now let's see third C. That is here C I write here. C is equal to x such that x belongs to natural. It is natural, but it is less than 2. Now which natural number is less than 2? Then you know 1. It is third. Now you observe, we converted all three in the listing method. Now we can tell, are they equal or not? See its answer. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 singleton, C is also, means these are equal. And equals, what is the definition of equal sets? If all the elements of 2 or more than, here are 3, if all the elements are same and equal in number, same, and number is also equal. Then here number of elements 1 1 1 and element also 1 1 1. That's why all three are equal. We can say here, therefore A is equal to B is equal to C from 1, 2 and 3. It is our justification. In this way you have to solve this example. Dear students, let's see example number 2. This example is also same type of the first. Decide whether set A and set B are equal sets. First example was also same. Give reason for your answer. Now in solution we have read both the types, both the methods. We have read listing and rule also. It is in roster form. A is equal to, now it is the same, not in roster form. It is statement only. A is equal to even prime number. Now write this in the listing method. That is, we can write it A is equal to, now you know what is even prime. Even prime is 2. I write here number 1. Okay, this answer is 2 in listing method. B set, and B is the set of all x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. We have to solve this. This equation is given. 7x minus 1 algebraic equation, that is equal to 13. Now let's solve Euclid x value. 7x minus 1. Now 7x is equal to 13 plus 1. 7x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 divided by 2. X is equal to 7. Here x divided by 7, and 7 2s are, x is equal to 2. Means if we put here x is equal to 2, then only we get 13 answer. If we put any other value, we don't get value 13. That's why there is only one number, 2 here. Therefore I write here, that is B is equal to, in curly bracket, what is the answer? 2. And here number 2. Now you observe 1 and 2. In 1, what is element? 2 singleton. What is there? Element 2 singleton. Therefore both are equal. Therefore we can write here, therefore A is equal to B from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. And it is said that give reason for your answer. Then what is the reason? All the elements of set A and set B are same. That we have tried. All the elements. Now there is only one, but we write definition here. All the elements of set A and B are same and equal in number. Okay, equal in number. Therefore, set A and set B are equal sets. Therefore, or hence, A and B are equal sets. It is the reason. It is the reason. Already we have showed them equal, but this is the reason we have to write. Dear students, question number 3. Which of the following are empty sets? Why? 3 sets are given. We have to identify which set is empty set. Definition of empty set is that if there is no element in the set, there is no element, there is no nothing, means 0 also, nothing means not 0. 0 also we can't write. If there is 0, then there is singleton. We don't want any, means impossible. Empty set means impossible set or null set, that is called. Means answer is answer. If you don't get its answer, then that is empty set. Let's see one by one. First, A is the set of all A such that A is a natural number. A is a natural number smaller than 0. Smaller than 0. Bracket close. Now, this is in method. Now, there are two types, two methods there are. Listing method and rule method. It is in rule method. Right. We have to write in listing method first. That is, I write it in listing method, then we will understand it is empty or not. Now, A is here. A is the set of all A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Now you tell me, you know that smaller number, natural number smaller than 0. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Means first natural number is 1. And we want natural number smaller than 0. There is no smaller number. There is no smaller natural number than 1. Here, what is here? Then 0 is given. Then 0. A is the natural number smaller than 0. There is no natural number. There is no natural number smaller than 0. Right? No. No means here empty set. Here we don't know. There is no any element. There is no element here. That's why it is called empty set. Or we can write like this also. That is the symbol of empty set. Okay. Do we get element here? Any element? No. That's why it is an empty set. Therefore, we can write here as there is no element. There is no element in the set. As there is no element in the set, set A is an empty set. It is the reason. Okay, why? There is question why. That's why with reason we have to write. First, let's see second. Second is B is the set of all x such that x square is equal to 0. Now this is also in the rule method. Write it in listing method. That is A is equal to in curly bracket. Now let's see. Here B is the set of all x such that x square is equal to 0. Now what is the number here? If we put which number, then we get 0. 0 square 0. 0 square 0 means we can write number here 0. 0 square. If we put here x is equal to 0, then we get answer 0. That's why 0 is there as the answer. Means one element is there. And as there is one element, that is not empty, that is singleton. Now what to write? As there is one element. As there is one element in the set, comma, set B is not an empty set, because there is one element, that's why that is not empty. For empty we don't want any element in the set. Let's see further. Now third set is here. C is the set of all x. C is the set of all x such that phi x minus 2 is equal to 0, x belongs to natural. That number, whatever element is there, that is a natural number. But now that is C is equal to, what should be the number? We have to solve it. Now here I am solving. Okay? Phi x minus 2 is equal to 0. Phi x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 upon 5. Here the number is x is equal to 2 upon 5. That is the number here. Here x is equal to 2 upon 5. But what is given here? X belongs to naturally. X belongs to naturally. Then is it natural number fraction? No, it is not natural number. It is not natural number. It means there is no answer here. We want natural and we got answer 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 is there, but that is, it means it does not belong to natural. It does not belong to natural, and we want here natural number. That's why we don't get any natural number here. That's why it is empty set. As there is no element. There is no element in the set. Set C is not. Set C is an empty set. It is an empty set because there is no element. In this way, we can write the answer of its type. But before that, it is very important. It is very necessary to convert given set in listing method. You have to convert rule method into listing method. Dear students, question number 4. Write with reason which of the following sets are finite or infinite. One by one we have to find this answer. Finite means elements should be limited. If elements are limited, then finite. If elements are uncountable, then that is infinite set. Okay? But before that, we have to write this method, rule method, in listing method. We have to convert this method into listing. Without that, we can't write the answer. Now here I write this in, therefore I write this set in listing method. A is the set of all x such that x is less than 10 and x is a natural number. Means we want element as a natural number but less than 10. Then you know less than 10 natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, till 9, because it is said here it is less than 10. That's why at 9 we have to end. It is limited. It is stopped. It is limited. That's why which type is it? It is finite set. With reason. Right? With reason. Now we have write here as there are limited elements. As there are limited elements in the set. As there are limited elements in the set, set A is a finite set. Limited, that's why finite. Okay? Now second set is here. B is the set of all y. B is the set of all y such that y is less than minus 1. Y is less than minus 1. And y is an integer. It is integer. Then in the integer there are positive numbers and negative numbers also. But we want less than minus 1. And less than minus 1 are infinite to left side. Therefore here they are infinite here, comma. I write here minus 3, minus 2. And we want less than -1, that's why -1 will not come here. If it is here equal, then it will come. Now we want minus less than -1, that's why till here only, and it is stopped here. But they are infinite to left side. They are uncountable to left side. Therefore this type is infinite. If here I write there are uncountable as there are uncountable elements in the set set B is infinite set. In this way we can classify, or we can write the answer that which type of set is that. With this example we have completed practice set 1.2.